Hello, my dear guest. Today, let's see how you can remove permissions from your application. I have created a small application with just two functions, login and logout. On login, it will load the permissions and we need to implement logout. So let's see the code. On login, I'm just adding permission admin and then I'm putting this in local storage so it will be saved between sessions. And in Ngx, I take from local storage and put it into Ngx-permissions. What we need to do is now to implement logout. So you will probably have an icon or something. You need to pass click and pass our function logout. In logout, you will have it in a different, not in the same as a app component. So first you will need to import Ngx-permission service. And then in Ngx-permission service, you will just run flash permissions. So what it will do, here we have our permissions, and when I'm logging out, it will remove permissions. But there is one problem. When I restart the page, it will be still here because it's saved also in local storage. So do not forget to remove from your local or session storage. So to remove from local storage, just type local storage, remove item, and pass the key that you passed when you were setting permissions in your session or local storage. So in our case, it's permissions. Let's see. Now, when we log out, there are no permissions. And when we refresh the page, there are also no permissions. So it works. Remember that you should have enough sleep in your life. Have a great day. Bye.